Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can manage or import contacts on the BotPenguin platform. On the left hand side, you'll find the inbox option, just click on that. You will land on this page. Here we have different subsections. In the inbox section, you can manage all the bot's conversations, you can manage all your orders, you can manage all your contacts or leads, and you can manage all your groups. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in the description box below. You can check them out. Now we will discuss how you can import your contacts. For that, you'll have to click on the contacts option here. Here we have the button for importing contacts. When you click on it, you'll find two options. First one is CSV. For this, you will have to upload a CSV file containing your contacts, or you can also import your contacts using the third-party apps. For the demo purpose, I am selecting CSV here. Here you can read the instructions, and after that you can click on the select file button to upload your file. So as you can see, my contacts have been imported successfully. These were the two contacts there in the list, and these have been imported into the contact section. You can also use the third-party apps to import contacts. Here you will have to select the third-party app from the list, and you have to select the bot. For example, I am selecting this for now. You have to select the start date and you have to select the end date and click on the sync contacts option, and your contacts will be imported from this third-party app. You can see your contact list on this page. You can manage all your contacts from here. You can see the visitor's name. You can see the bots that they have interacted with. You can see their email and phone number. You can assign them a group from here. For example, I am assigning this group to the new contact that I have imported. You can also assign them any status that you have already created, or you can also create a new status by clicking on the create status button. You can also assign them any tag. You can also create a new tag, or you can assign them any tag that you have already created. And you can take any actions. That is, you can call the user, you can delete the information, or you can also copy the information for further use. And you can also unsubscribe this user. So this is how you can import your contacts and manage your contacts. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.